Hello everyone, welcome to Soft Learning. Today we are going to learn about exceptional handling in Python. Exceptional handling. Exceptional handling in programming deals with managing unexpected errors that might happen while a program is running. This error can be caused by things like bad inputs, missing results, or mistakes in code. It's important because it helps your program handle these issues gracefully instead of crashing. To understand the exceptional handling, let me open my calculator. In the calculator, let's type 0 divided by 0 and you will get a message which is result is undefined. And in our program, it is the divide expressions. Let me run this and you will get enter num1 say 0, enter num2, then one more time 0, and you will get an error which are 0 divisional error. Division by 0, it's an error. Okay, and to handle this, to catch the errors, we will use exceptional handling. And let me see what are exceptional handling. The try. The try block contains the code that might raise an exceptions. Except. The except block catches and handles exceptions arised within the try block. It allows you to specify how to handle different types of exceptions. Finally, its one is optional. The finally block is executed whether an exception occurred or not. It is typically used for cleanup code that must be run regardless of whether an exception occurred. Okay guys, let's see a basic example of exceptional handling. To do this, try keyword followed by colon, then enter it and you will get an indentation. Then my variable name num1 equal to input. The prompt is enter the num1 like this, then num2 equal to same as it is, so just copy and paste like this, just change to num2. Then an expression say divide equal to num1 divide by num2 like this, then print the divide. Okay, after it then just give a backspace and type except, then space the exception. What does the exception do? It just checks the expression, and if the error occurs, then it will print a message like how my calculator give a message like result is undefined. Just copy this result and put inside the double quotes like this and run this. Say num1 0, num2 0, and you will get result is undefined like this. After it, say rerun this, say enter a number, say I'm going to type num, then enter it and you will get same as it is, result is undefined. But how we can detect the error, what the error is? To do this, you have to type like this, after the exception type space as e, and here e is a variable and exceptions having all type of errors, and it will pass the values to e variable, and we can put like this, put comma then the e variable. Okay, then rerun this, say num like this, and you will get result is undefined, invalid literal for in function with the base 10 num, and which one is we can detect the errors. For example, say 0 then 0, and you will get result is undefined because of division by 0. Hope you understand. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe it for more, and share it with your friends. Thank you.